Hello everyone and welcome. How to send Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Today we are going to be covering this. So for this, what we need to do is, first of all, we need Coinbase wallet address. So first of all, make sure that you have Coinbase account already, and you simply, if you do not have an application for that, for Coinbase, you can search and you can see here we have our Coinbase wallet, and we are going to be allowing the permissions. So if you do not have a wallet, you can simply create your new wallet in here and allow the security measures and everything. So first of all, you can claim your username and everything, and you can see it is I'm gonna be allowing this. So now to add your crypto, all you need to do is simply receive crypto and copy this address. So you can see how fast the process was. Now what we need to do is, since we want to send Solana, we are going to be copying this particular address. You can see the check mark here in front of Solana. This is it. And now we are going to be heading over to Phantom Wallet. Since it operates on mainly Solana, I'm going to be sending my Solana from here. So click on this send option and click on Solana and allow paste, and paste this address that is on clipboard, and boom, click on next and your Solana is sent. Enter the amount. So that is how to send Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.